Hello everybody! Today I want to show you how to put in a SIM card in the Redmi Note 11 Pro. The first thing we want to talk about is the SIM card, and you can see here I have a SIM card on my finger, and this is a nano SIM card. It's a so-called nano SIM card. It's the smallest SIM card you can buy at this moment, and it can be that you have a slightly bigger model. That can be a micro SIM card or a standard SIM card. So if you haven't got a nano SIM card, please call your provider and they will send you a new one. And don't start cutting up the edges or something. There are some videos on YouTube that provide you with some tutorials about that. Just call your provider. It's the more easier and convenient way. The second thing is what we must look for is where to put in the SIM card. And here on the Redmi Note 11 Pro, you can see here is a tray, and in this tray is a little hole, and we must put something in this hole. And for this you have two possibilities. The first possibility is you take your packaging from the Redmi Note 11 Pro, and here you will find, if you open this one here and open this, you can find here a little tool, and this is a special needle, and this needle fits exactly in that hole for the SIM card tray, and it's called a SIM card ejector. And you can use this one, but if you don't find your packaging, that's no problem. You can use the good old paper clip, and you can see I have a paper clip here, and I just bent it a little bit open so I can use this. And just to demonstrate it to you, I will just use this paper clip. So I go with the paper clip in this hole and press a little bit, and then you can see the tray opens pretty easily. And we can see here there are two sides, and one side is called SIM 1 and the other side is called SIM 2, and on the upper side is SD. So you can put on the other side as a second SIM card or an SD card. Just switch to SIM 1 again, and you can see here is a little corner, and we have the same corner here. So the SIM card only fits in one way. You can see it doesn't go in when I want to change it or something. So there's only one way. So when I'm finished with that, I'll just have to put in this SIM tray back, hole on hole, and just press it in, and just a few seconds later you can see my Redmi Note 11 Pro just tells me enter SIM pin for card 1, and I just put in my SIM pin and press OK, and that was it. And then when we look at the top right, here's the signal for the GSM, and you can see I have now full signal, and I just can go outside, chat with my friends, go in the internet, and do what I want to do with my Redmi Note 11 Pro. Yes, that was it, how to put in the SIM card. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. Help me grow my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.